Hello guys, today we're going to test this device, the GFCI outlet by Panasonic. And of course, we need a control, also a Panasonic single pole, single gang with no GFCI, without GFCI. So the wirings are simple, just like on a building. The line 1 and line 2 goes to the line 1, line 2, also to ground, which goes also to this ground. This is the ground. Line 1 and line 2 goes here, no neutral. For each line has a 110 volts, totaling of 220. And okay, so we're just going to put it right here, okay. Then next is we need to have, but not this one because I don't like to test my skin on those guys. So we get a wet tissue as a substitute of our skin. Just put it alligator, then put it on the ground like that. Right, still off. To identify if it's on and off, we're going to plug a indicator with probe. Of course, we need to plug an indicator also here, also with probe, and try to turn it on. Oh, it's still off. Okay, so this need to put it here like that so that it's much closer. Okay, as you can see, it's turning on and off. And okay, you can now check it out like that. Then this is the wet tissue. Ooh, those has a power, right? So if you touch this one, if you get this one and touch the wet tissue, doesn't do anything. So meaning, if that's your skin, where right now you're trying to move, but you can't because you are being electrocuted. But if you take this one and touch the wet tissue, see, it's off. Again, let's try to this one. Ooh, so that, let's get this one, then see, it's off. So before you feel the pain, the real pain, the power of the outlet will turn it off. But of course, sometimes the circuit breaker will turn off first. But if you check it here, and let's put it like that, if you check it here, it doesn't do, oops, it's just this one, okay, it's loose. Well, next time I'll make a better setup. See, doesn't do anything. See, but check this out. Check the circuit breaker. Check this out. Okay, let's turn it off first. Okay, I need to make sure you see the light. I like that. And to make sure, I want you to see also the circuit breaker. That's the indicator. If you turn it on like that, ooh, oops, turn it off. Okay, and this is the reference. Really doesn't do anything. That's why if this is you, you're now being electrocuted. But of course, if you directly touch the ground, what does it do? See, it sparks, and this turn it off. So you need a lot of less resistance to turn this off. Okay, wait. Check it out. Check it out. See, this one has the same circuit. So if you touch this, turn it off. Again, this, turn it on. If we touch this directly to the ground, of course this one we're going to turn off also because it has the same source, right? Oops, this one's losing again. Check it out again. See, it turned off and it's stick. See that? It's stick. That's how fatal, because our body is fatal on 10 up to 30 milliamps. So good